Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are looking for an XRP update, and this video is for you. So before doing our light chart analysis, let's go to the last prediction that I gave and see what happened to the last prediction. Okay, so I'm on XRP. So I'm on XRP Binance exchange here, and this was the chart that I used previously. Okay, and this was the prediction I gave. Okay, so the prediction was when the market was resting in this level, in this red color line. Okay, when the market was resting above this, I told you if the market holds the price up, then we can aim for this $2.5, and if the market didn't hold the price, okay, if it breaks down, then we can see a downward movement. Okay, what the market has done, it has played exactly as I predicted. Okay, I gave bullish and bearish scenario. The bullish scenario played here well. Okay, the percentage that gain through this prediction was 22% without leverage. Okay, so that's for the update. So let's go to the live chat and see what's happening in the current market. So let's break down the waves that's formed here in these levels. Okay, let's see what are the possibilities for the market to go. Okay, so I have both the bearish and the bullish scenario. So let me explain the bullish scenario first. Okay, so here you can see that we have this impulse wave, right? We have this 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so that completes a wave 1. It's an impulse wave, and here we have a correction wave. Okay, in here we have a correction wave. So let me do that. Yeah, so as you see here, the ABC correction has been ended here. Okay, in this level it has ended. So we know that this level, this 1 2 3 4 5, this 1 2 3 4 5, right? So let's go and measure the fib level. So the market has mitigated the shallow area in this level. Okay, so market has mitigated and turned. Okay, the market turned from the shallow area. If the market broke this 0.382 level, then it could have considered as a deep correction, or this as a shallow correction. It's in a shortest correction. Okay, you can consider as a shortest correction. And what the market has done now, it's climbing up. Okay, so I guess the market's the correction is over. Okay, so still we don't have any indication for the market to go for the, so we can consider, okay, before I explain you something, we can consider A B C, right? So we can consider this ABC as a W wave as well, and we can assume that the market is making a X wave right now. Still I didn't get any bearish symptom for this, any bearish indication or confirmations. So until now we can't assume it as a X. Okay, for an instant, I'm saying for an instant. Okay, for instant, if this was a X, then we can expect the Y to be lower than this, which could be impulse wave. Okay, so since this W waves ABC is corrective here, we can expect a impulse wave in the X wave. Okay, forget about this WXY. Okay, I'll just remove that. I have removed that. So if you consider as ABC, the correction has ended. Okay, so since we have 1 2 3 4 5, and the correction has done in a shallow, in shortest retracement. So now let's display the bullish scenario that I shown here. Okay, so I'll just zoom out to a low time frame, and I'll drop down to low time frame and show you what's happening in the market. So see, here we have an impulse wave here. Okay, so here we have an impulse wave. I took it as 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I have taken a 1 2 3 4 5. So you can see that I have considered that wave as wave 1, and the second wave was shallow here, and then again we create another wave 1. This is a leading diagonal. You can take it as leading diagonal here. So that makes us a wave 1, another wave 1. Okay, and then again we have wave 2, and which was a deep retracement, and then again we have another impulse. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So that makes the impulse here. So I consider another wave 1 here. Okay, so that completes another wave 1 here. So the market should go like this way. So since it's 3 times, the 1 to 2 is 3 times, first it should complete. So this is how market should go. Okay, since it has formed 1 to 2 3 times, so market should the third wave will be extended. We don't know how much it's expanded. I just assume this level. Okay, so it can be higher than this. Okay, because the third wave will be higher, so this can be even higher. Okay, so since we are in wave 1, if you go to the daily chart here, so here you can see that we are in a wave 1, right? Wave 1, so 2 has occurred here, so wave 3 should go here. Okay, at least $25 or $30. So from there we can expect a, now let's say the market has gone here 1, right? 2, and the third wave can be like this way. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and now the market should make 3, 4, 5. Okay, we can consider as 3, 4 and 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4 and 5. Then that completes a wave 1 here, and we can expect a retracement. In the retracement we can now we can buy, and I'm not financially advising you to buy here right now. It's your own risk and your own investment, so do research before investing that. So if you bought here, it could be a good place to sell somewhere here. Okay, if the third wave is extended, you can sell in an impulse wave. Okay, in end of an impulse wave, and wait for a deep retracement. Then we can buy in that deep as well. So I have another analyze. This is an Elliott wave concept analyze. So I have retail type also. So let's go to that. So guys, as you see here, I have driven this descending trend line here. Okay, this descending trend line you can see here, and also this key level, key zone, and also this key zone. Okay, so the reason that I driven this key zone is because I consider two horizontal trend line here. Okay, so I have assumed this key zone as two horizontal trend lines here. Okay, two horizontal trend lines. So let me explain that with the line chart. So as you see here, we have this price mitigations in this level. Okay, see the price mitigation. I don't want to explain you. See the, you can see, if you are familiar with the chart, you can just see and grab the price mitigations in this level. So that's it. I consider this two horizontal line, and I drawn it as a zone. Okay, so it's better to draw in the zone. Okay, so that's how I drawn this. So now what I'm anticipating in the market is to market to go higher. So that, as I said before, so we are in a, this is a second wave. Okay, this is a second wave, and to be invalid we should break this zone. This is an invalid zone. I'll go to the Elliott wave, that analyze chart, and I'll explain you. Okay, so this will be the invalid zone. Okay, so the market, I'm anticipating for the market to go higher. Okay, so if this pass this key level, key zone, then the market could skyrocket to the sky. And let me go to the chart again for you guys. Yeah, if you drop down to the 2 hour, so we are in 1 to 2 3 times here, right? So this will be invalid, so I have already marked that. I just remind now. So if it breaks, the market has the market now it's on 0.5 level or something. Okay, it has retest. Yeah, so market is sitting on 0.06 and 0.01 fib level here. So there's a good chance for the market to drop to, I mean there's a low probability. So if the ETH pump, so with that this market could pump from here, or else another entry point will be 0.786. so this could be two entry points, the current market price and the 0.786 entry level. If you're looking for a long trade, this will be the invalid zone. Okay, so watch out for these areas, and I'll end up this video here, and let's meet up on another crypto update. Until then, stay tuned with the channel, and let's meet up on another crypto market update. Until then, see you guys.